Good morning, students. In our previous period, we have seen volume. Volume means amount of space occupied by an object. Occupied space by an object called as volume of the object. Okay?
Yes.
Means you take a book and this book occupies space, some space, yes or no, on the table.
Yes.
So this is the volume of book. Yes?
Yes.
So in this lesson you remember two formulas. Volume of cuboid or volume of cube. Volume of cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Okay? By using this formula you find the volume of cuboid. Then volume of cube. Volume of cube is length multiplied by length multiplied by length. Why here length multiplied by length multiplied by length? In a cube all sides are equal. So here you take three times of length or multiply 3 times given length. Okay? So we find L cube. So volume of cube. See here in our first example, length of edge is 6 centimeter. Length of edge, or you write side. Length of side लिखा तो भी चलेगा. Okay? Length of edge is equal to 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Then you write the formula. Volume of cube is equal to length multiplied by length multiplied by length is equal to sin is equal to sin theta. Length multiplied by length multiplied by length. Then we put the value 6 centimeter. So write here 6 centimeter multiplied by 6 centimeter multiplied by 6 centimeter. So centimeter, how many times here? Centimeter 3 times. Centimeter. So you write centimeter cube. Write here centimeter cube. Then first you do the multiplication between the two numbers. 6 into 6 or 6 6 are 36. Yes or no? 6 6 are 36. Multiply by again 6. 36 multiplied by 6, then we get 260. Yes or no?
Yes.
6 6 are 36, carry 3. Then again 6 3 are 18 plus 3 21. So your answer is here 260 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cube. Understood everyone?
Yes.
Only here to do the multiplication, then we get a volume of cube. In a second example, length of edge or length of side of cube. Length of edge is equal to 4.3 or 8 millimeter. 8 millimeter. So again same process follow here. First you write the formula. Volume of cube is equal to L multiplied by L is equal to L is 8 millimeter. So write here 8 millimeter multiplied by 8 millimeter multiplied by 8 millimeter is equal to 8 into 8 64. 8 into 8 or 8 multiplied by 8 8 is 64. Multiply by 8 or millimeter into millimeter. So 3 times, so write here millimeter cube. And then 64 8 are 8 4 the 32, carry 3, 8 Vinay, 512 answer, right? Millimeter cube. Cube of 8. Starting of the semester, first you write always table, then square, then cube. Right now?
Yes.
Everyone, then. So, cube of 8 is 512 millimeter cube. And next, third one.
Length of side. सर 8 की जगह साइड लिख सकते हैं ना?
हाँ
8 की जगह साइड.
हाँ साइड में लिख सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम. Then length of edge is 4 meter. Very easy. Length of edge is equal to 4 meter. Then write the formula. Volume of cube
is equal to
length multiplied by length or L cube. And then 4 meter multiplied by 4 meter multiplied by 4 meter. Then 4 4
8.
4 4 16. You know table 4 4 16. Then 16 4 64. 64 meter cube. This is the answer.
Yes.
Then fourth one. Length of edge is equal to 4.3 centimeter. 4.3 centimeters. So, you know, first you write the formula. Volume of cube is equal to.
L multiplied by L multiplied by.
Yes, very good. Then 4.3 centimeter multiplied by 4.3 centimeter, 4.3 centimeter. Then first you do the multiplication. 4.3 multiplied by 4.3. 4.3 square of 4.3. 3 3 is 9. So write 09. 4 4 is 16. 4 3 is 12. 12 2 is 24. 12 2 is 24. So write here. And then add 9, 4, 8, 18.49. 18.49 multiplied by 4.3 centimeter cube. So again 18.49 multiplied by 4.3. So here decimal point after 2 digit. Why? Here 1 digit or here also 1 digit. So counting is 2. So you take a decimal point after 2 digit. So again here decimal point after 1 digit. So your final answer you give the decimal point after 3 digit. Yes. So 1849 multiplied by 43. So 3 9 the 27, carry 2, 3 4 the 12, plus 2 14, carry 1, 3 8 the 24, plus 1 25, carry 2, 3 1 the 3, 3 plus 2 5. Then write here 0. ये नहीं दिख रहा है?
नहीं
ये यहाँ तक ही दिख रहा है?
वो दिख रहा है,
2 ये ना.
ये दिख रहा है.
ये यहाँ तक ही दिख रहा है?
हाँ.
क्या कर रहा है?
सर पॉज करके
ठीक है जाओ. ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन आपको दिख रहा है ना? इसका फोटो निकाल के भेज दो. Then 4 9 are 36. Write here 6, carry 3. 4 4 are 16. 4 4 are 16 plus 3 19. Carry 1. 4 8 are 32 plus 1 33. Carry 3. 4 1 are 4, 4 plus 3 7. Then add 7 plus 0 7.
6 plus
4 plus 6 10. Carry 1. 9 plus 1 10 plus 5 15. Carry 1. 5 plus 4 9
7.
79.507.
Sir, 3D
79.507 centimeter cube. This is the answer. Or you solve in this. Understood everyone?
Yes.
So largest number multiplication you do this. Like. Then remaining two examples you do it. E or F.
Okay, sir.
E okay हमने write किया है ना. Length of edge is equal to
Sir, 2 minutes.
7 centimeter. 6 length of edge is equal to
दो अपने आप करने हैं
2.1 centimeter. 7 और 8. 8.5 meter. 72 centimeter. So there are these 4 examples. You do it. Okay. Thank you.